I absolutely love being a part of STEM Teachers NYC events. The history and impact of this community means so much to me. I can't help but feel immense gratitude for the opportunities it has brought into my life. Connecting with like-minded individuals during these events is truly special. We come together, sharing our passions and inspiring each other in the incredible work we do. Learning about the history of STEM Teachers NYC adds a whole new layer to my experience. Understanding where it all began, the milestones, and the journey it has taken gives me a deeper appreciation for the community. It's not just about the present moment, but also about the evolution and growth that has shaped the supportive environment. The sense of camaraderie and mutual support is palpable at these events. It's more than just gathering, it's a community that shares common goals, interests, and values in STEM. The unity among us creates a positive and motivating atmosphere that fosters connections and a common purpose. Being a part of STEM Teachers NYC is not just about individual experiences. It's about the collective enthusiasm and shared passion that make these events so special. I cherish the shared experiences, the inspiration, and the collaborative opportunities that have emerged from being a part of this amazing community. Here's to many more moments of growth and inspiration with STEM Teachers NYC.